welcome back. If this is your first time viewing, hey boy, hey girl, hit that subscribe button on the way in. In this video today, we are doing a waxing kind of tutorial. These are all the ingredients I'm using, all the things I'm using from the Melissa Wax Kit from Amazon. Of course, I'll have the extra things like the alcohol, the cotton strips, the Q-tips, and I have the Juvia's Place eyebrow pencil and the spoolie as well. And first, I'm going in carving out my eyebrows with the eyebrow pencil. If you know how to do your eyebrows, y'all know how to do this. Like, I was scared at first to wax my own eyebrows for the first time, but I was like, if I know how to do my eyebrows with makeup, I know how to do this. So first, I'm going in with some alcohol, and I'm going in with a Q-tip, just removing any excess oils or any dirt that I might have around my eyebrows. And I did use a spoolie to kind of brush away the eyebrow hair that I was gonna wax off. And this is how the wax kit actually looks. I'm melting the wax. I'm just showing you all. It has to be like a honey kind of consistency in order for you to start. And you do have to kind of twirl it around because it has that little stringy kind of effect to it once you pull it out. And this is, I'm just showing you all the whole set. This is like the compact kind of thing that you put the wax in, and then you have your heating thing at the bottom. So it's sort of like a pot, like you're making stuff. Now, in order to like melt the wax super fast, you have to go crank it up all the way to 250. Don't be scared, y'all. Like, crank it up all the way. But then I promise y'all, please lower the temperature before you start waxing. Please do, because you're gonna burn your fucking eye off. Now here I am. I did lay the first strip down. They say start with the arch first, so that's what I'm doing first. I'm starting right at the top. I'm praying to God and Jesus and all the Holy Ghost spirits up there and the angels and I am gonna go in and wax it. Now at first I did not grab enough. Now they do have the woven strips where you can kind of pack it or put it on top of the wax to have a better grip, but I felt like this was more better. And honestly, y'all, I was surprised. I'm like, okay, it did not come out bad. It did not feel as bad as I thought. It felt like I was at the nail salon getting my eyebrows waxed. And this is all the hair that came off in the first wax. Like, that's how I knew it was actually working. Now when you apply the wax, you want to apply it like toward where your hairs are growing, and then you want to pull away from where your hairs are growing so you can pull the hair out, if that makes sense. Now I'm going in, y'all. These angle sticks really helped out. Like, oh my god, they help so much. And as you can tell, like, it's really coming along really great. Like, this is good for like when you want to shape up your eyebrows real quick and you don't have time to go like to the salon to do it. Like, this really came in handy, especially with like your legs and stuff. Yeah. And I was just like, really honestly, y'all, I was so shocked at how well this was working. Now, you know how you at the nail salon, they actually want your upper lip? Like, no, bitch, I'll get it at home. So here I am, y'all. This was the most painful part, and maybe because I put way too much wax on that needed to be put on, because my mustache was not that thick. My lady stash was not that thick, so it was painful. I won't even lie to you. Like, I had to calm everybody down in my head, like, y'all gotta calm down, we gotta get this done. But around the second time, I was like kind of excited because I seen it work, and I'm like, okay, it can't hurt that bad, but it definitely hurt just the same. I'm literally crying laughing. This is the aftermath of waxing. This is how I knew I was making progress and getting shit done. And this is how it looks, how everything looks after waxing. I was so happy with the results. They look way better than when we started. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video. I will catch you all in the next one. Thank you for all the support. Peace out, y'all. Bye.